So, my G, I am going to show you how to buy Nigerian stock and foreign stock using this platform called Bamboo. All right. Yes, how to buy Tesla stock, how to buy Apple stock, how to buy MTN shares, how to buy Facebook shares. It's every single thing you need to know about stock. All right. But we are going to make use of this platform called Bamboo. So, relax. In case you want me to talk about any other platform called Bamboo, just let me know in the comment section. That is the only thing I need you to do. And of course, I am going to deliver like Hebrew women. All right. Yes. So I have a question for you. It might sound crazy, but I would like to know your answer. Is it better to buy iPhone, like iPhone, actual iPhone, right? Like the current iPhone on ground now is iPhone 17. So is it better to buy iPhone or is it better to buy Apple stock? Let me know in the comment section what your answer is going to be, but I'm going to let you know my own answer towards the end of this video. All right, now what I will need you to do, all right, is to go ahead and click the like button of this video in exchange of the value you are going to get in today's video. That is the only thing I need you to do for me. Click the like button in exchange of the value you are going to get in today's video, and I personally want you to join this beautiful family by clicking on that subscription button. Yes, you heard me right. Go ahead and smash that subscription button. But hey, after smashing the subscription button, please do not forget to turn on the bell notification beside the subscription button. What the bell notification does is always notify you anytime we upload informative video just like this one you're watching. Now, with all this being said and done, let's jump straight into the video. To start buying stock with Bamboo platform, first you need to get registered. So you get registered, visit Google Play Store or you visit App Store, search for Bamboo and download it. So once you are done downloading Bamboo, click on it, and this is the interface you are going to see. I want you to go ahead and click over here that says start building wealth, okay, for you to get registered. So click there. You're going to see several countries that Bamboo is working, right? So you can see Nigeria, you can see Ghana, South Africa, Algeria, Angola, Benin, Botswana, and a whole lot of them, right? So what we are going to do is that we are going to select our country, of course, Nigeria. So I'm going to click on Nigeria, and then what we are going to do here is that we are going to type in our official first name here and our official last name. We're going to select our gender, select our date of birth, and of course is a citizenship is a Nigeria. Go ahead and press or type in your phone number, right? So once you're done typing your phone number, make sure to type in a correct email address, okay, a functional email address, because if there's any code they are going to be sending there, that is where you can be able to access the code. So make sure you type a working email address. Then the next thing we're going to do is that we're going to type in or select our password. So we're going to select a password. So the password we're going to be typing here must contain one small letter, one capital letter, one number, one special character, and it's going to have up to 8 characters, right? Yes. So we're going to type in a referral code right here. So you are going to see the referral code you are going to be typing there on the screen. So once you are done with that, go ahead and check this box to acknowledge that you have read and understood their terms and their conditions. So once you are done checking the box, go ahead and click here that says continue. All right, so next thing we are going to do is we are going to move over or log in to our Bamboo app to complete our KYC. So I'm going to log into my own app so I can show you how you can conclude or complete your KYC. So stay with me, guys. So once you are done with registration and you've logged in, this is definitely the interface you are going to see. Over here, I have $3.62. Okay, so like I said, I will show you how to complete your KYC. Okay, so once you are, what you're going to do is to click over here. Yes, so click over here. So once you click over there, you are going to see invite a friend. Okay, if you need to invite a friend, of course when you invite, you are definitely going to get commission. This is right review, and of course over here is KYC status. So for you to complete your KYC, because it is compulsory, you really need to do that. So click over there, and then you are going to take it step by step. So I am done completing my KYC. This is going to be funny. Bamboo, in case if you are watching, I don't know why my KYC is completed and I'm yet to get my C10 or so. I'm going to show you guys that so you understand what I'm talking about. So everything is complete. Your bank details is going to be there, your investment profile, affiliation, NGX, brokerage accounts, deposit. Of course you are going to deposit. So most of these are platforms you are going to make a deposit, so you can be able to activate your account. All right, so I'm going to also show you how to deposit in your Bamboo platform or account. Right, so we are going back to the main homepage. Okay, so this is the homepage, and what we are going to, just like I said, we will be investing in stock. I'll be showing you how to buy stock. So this is the little one I have. I'm not making use of a Bamboo, like I have another app, but the reason why I'm making use of Bamboo in today's video is because I have a request of people saying, how do I invest using Bamboo? How do I go about using, how do I navigate Bamboo? So that is the reason why I have to get registered on Bamboo, fund the account, and then go ahead. So let's proceed with how to invest in stock using Bamboo. So what we're going to do is that we are going to click over here that says invest. Okay, so let's click on invest. So once you click on invest, you are going to see different things, or this interface you are going to see. These are the things you are going to see. You are going to see US stocks, you are going to see NG stocks, that's Nigerian stock. You are going to see treasury bills. If you want me to make videos about treasury bills, let me know in the comment section. I will make a separate video about that. You're going to see Naira savings, you're going to see fixed return, and then manage the portfolio. So what we are going to do is to buy stock. So let's proceed to buy stock. So we are going to be buying NGN stock. Okay, so let's click over here. I won't be able to buy this stock. Why? Because I am yet to get my CHN number. But let me just click on this, click on access holding. These are the different types of stocks you can be able to buy. If you did not see any one that you want to buy by scrolling, or maybe you are probably going to be tired of scrolling, just go ahead. Bamboo made it easy for you to find a particular stock you want to buy. So let's say we want to buy MTN. So we're going to type into this search bar, let's say MTN. Okay, so once you type MTN, go ahead and click on the mark. Oh, boom, then this is MTN. Okay, so proceed to click on it, and then click over here that says buy stock. So let's click on buy. So this is exactly the notification I am getting. Okay, so my KYC is complete and I'm yet to get the CSC something. I'm going to show you what I'm talking about, but I can be able to buy US stock, and I'm going to buy US stock today in today's video. So stay with me, guys. So currently the market is not open, it is closed. As you can see over here, market closed. So they are not going to execute this buy even if you are going to proceed to buy. But once the market, they are going to collect the money, right? So once the market opens, they are going to execute your order. So you don't need to panic that the market is closed. Just go ahead and make your purchase. If you want to buy 1,000 shares or stock of MTN, right, just go ahead and type it in, go ahead and click on buy. They are going to debit the money. Once the market opens, they are going to execute it, right? And they're going to send you notification that, oh, they've executed your order. So do not panic. All right, so let's go and buy US stock. So let's go back, okay, to buy US stock. So we're going to click over here that says US stocks. So we'll click on US stocks. So now, I first of all asked a question from the beginning, in the beginning of the video, and said, is it better to own an iPhone, or is it better for you to own Apple stock or shares? And I don't know if you have typed your own answer in the comment section, but for me, my answer is going to be buying Apple stock, and I'm going to tell you why after buying this Apple stock. So we are going to click over here to buy Apple stock. We have a whole lot of other stocks you can buy. You can buy Amazon, Global S, Disney, okay, Energy Trans, a whole lot of, Google is here, right? You have a whole lot of stocks you can buy, right? But let's just make use of Apple for the sake of this video. So I'm going to click over here to buy Apple. Click on Apple, right? It is going to load, and this is definitely the interface you are going to see. So what we are going to do is to click over here that says buy. So the reason why you're seeing buy and sell is because I already have Apple stock. Okay, that is why you are seeing. But if you don't have any, what you are going to be seeing alone is buy. Okay, so let's proceed to buy. So what we're going to do is to go ahead and click over here that says buy. So once we click on buy, it is going to ask you If you want to buy every month or you want to buy now, we have a limit order, stop order. So what we're going to do is to click over here that says buy now, because of course we want to buy now. So now what we're going to do is we're going to type in how much we want to be buying. Okay, so we're going to type $1. Okay, so that is what we are going to be type. You can buy as many as you want, but just for the purpose of this video, that is the reason why I typed $1. So what we're going to do is to go ahead and click here that says preview or review order. Okay, so okay, the minimum that we can be able to buy is 1,000 or $1 1 cent. That is what we are going to be buying. So let's close it. Let's 0.01. So that is what we are going to do. So let's proceed to click here that says review order. So we'll click on review order and it's going to bring up my Nigerian wallet because that is where I have money. So I'm going to click on that. Okay, that is where they are going to be debiting to execute this order. So this is the analysis of the Apple share we want to, or stock we want to buy, right? So this is a other type, which is a market buy. This is a number of shares we are buying, which is 0.00039. No matter what, you are Apple shareholder, okay, no matter how small. So it doesn't matter how small you bought, just try and be buying regularly, okay, be adding money or be buying extra stock, right? So this is the actual price per share, which is $255.68. Okay, so this is the total amount we are going to be buying. Okay, so let's go ahead and click over here that says place order. Okay, so we'll click on place order and then it is just letting us know that market is closed. Okay, just like you can see over here, market is currently closed. Your order will be executed at market price when the market reopens at 2:30 p.m. So the market is going to reopen by 2:30 p.m. right, by Friday. So as of today is Friday. So new order can be cancelled until 5 minutes before market opening, right? So what we are going to do is just go ahead and click on continue. They are definitely going to execute this order once market opens by 2:30. Okay, so let's click on continue and it is loading. So let's just give it some time. It doesn't take time and it is definitely going to execute our order. So while we wait for this to load or to execute our order or for us to buy, I'm going to let you know the reason why our boom, it has placed our order. So it says order submitted. Your buy market order was successfully submitted. So we're just going to go ahead and click over here while I continue with my answer towards, is it good for you to buy iPhone or to buy the stock? Okay, so for me, I would rather buy the stock, okay, instead of buying an iPhone. You know why I say that? That is for me, my own opinion. I would like to know your own opinion in the comment section. My own opinion is it is better for me to buy Apple stock than to buy iPhone, like the iPhone. Okay, the reason why is because any iPhone you buy will depreciate. That is the fact. If the iPhone 17 now is being sold for 1.8 million or 2.8 million, right, or 2.5 million or 2.1 million or 2.4 million or 1 point any amount they are selling it, once another phone comes out, that money is definitely going to drop. It might even drop maybe probably within in a year time or so. It is definitely going to depreciate in value. Okay, yes, but anytime you buy Apple stock, it is always going to there is no way you will say that it is now, it has depreciated, that not going to get any. You are definitely going to get profit or get interest or get, if they're paying dividends, you are going to get dividend. Okay, so it is better for me to buy the Apple stock than to buy the iPhone, because the iPhone is going to depreciate, but the stock is always going to be appreciating. So let me know your own thoughts in the comment section. Maybe you could be right. But if you have money to buy both the stock and the phone, beautiful. Just go ahead and do it and get it. It's your money, all right? So this is my own opinion. Let me know your own opinion in the comment section. Now, in case you want to know every single thing about this bamboo, how to go about it, the registration, every single thing, like for me to explain it as if you are in grade 5, I've already made a video about that, and I'm going to be linking it towards the end of this video. Just click on it. You are definitely going to like it. You're definitely going to see step by step everything you need to know about stock investment and the rest of them. You're definitely going to like it. All right, so let's continue, guys. So you were able to get to the end of this video, and I personally want to say congratulations and you are doing well. All right, yes, in case you are looking for more ways you can be able to make money for yourself, or more ways your money can be able to make more money for you, or more ways you can be able to make money without spending any money, without any capital, without bringing 2 persons that will bring 2 persons that will end up bringing extra 2 persons before you can be able to start earning, then you see this video you're seeing on the screen right now. Go ahead and click on the video, and I'm going to see you on the other side. Now, we started the 90-day challenge, and I want you to join this 90-day challenge. Now, what do we do in this 90-day challenge? What we do is that we are going to be saving money every single day for a period of 90 days. So it's going to run throughout October, November, December, and of course we are going to cash out the money by January 1st. We are going to make use of any fintech platform of your choice. It could be Piggyvest, it could be Carrywise, it could be OPay, any single fintech platform of your choice. Now we are going to be saving like 1,000 naira. You must not save up to 1,000 naira, all right? Even if you have 200 naira or 100 naira, just know that what we are going to be doing for the period of 90 days is saving money every single day. And me, your boy, is going to be making video every single day reminding you or asking you, have you saved money for today? Okay, so in case you want to join this 90-day challenge, I'm going to be leaving the link of our WhatsApp community group in the video description as well as the comment section. So once you join there, I'll be sending a notification of the video in the WhatsApp group to notify you, to ask you, how far, my G, have you saved money for today? Okay, so you don't have any excuse to say that I am not going to join this challenge, okay, because we're not going to condition you into saving a particular amount. You can save even if it is 5 naira, yes, even if it is 10 naira, 100 naira, just save it every single day for a period of 19 days. It's just for us to create that, will I say, discipline of saving money, because it's someone that has saved money can be able to invest. If you can be able to save money, then you can be able to invest. Okay, so I really want you to join this 90-day challenge. So do well to join this WhatsApp community. I'll be leaving the link in the video description as well as the comment section. Then until when I'm going to see you on this video, right? Bye for now.